Behind this unassuming door waits an impatient creature. As he waits for what is to come, his patience grows thin. His once bountiful supply of sustenance has slowly dwindled, forcing him to forage for something new. At last, a crucial delivery arrives, a treasure trove of raw, untamed moments. Yet even as hope stirs, a miscalculation disrupts his ritual. Cast aside by his tribe for his stubborn reliance on primitive tools, his sanctuary lies in disarray. Before he can savor the prize, he must rebuild his den, a makeshift haven where this transformation is possible. Time is of the essence. If he is to feast, he must begin his work without delay. Lining the walls with relics of past triumphs, smoothing the floor with the furred remnants of local beasts, fashioning a nest from scattered sticks and branches, and adorning the room with the spoils of his foraging. At last, in his natural habitat, the creature is poised to strike. Yet he must proceed with precision. The next move demands a level of swagger rarely seen in the wild.
Want it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. What I thought I said some. Thought I said some.
Meticulously adjusting light, shadow, and color, revealing details once hidden, bringing life to a moment that was nearly lost. But he must tread carefully, for this is the climax of the hunt. Even in spite of its triumph, the creature already hungers for its next kill.